Workshop. I'm Kent, and we got a little product review unboxing here. Picked up a Milwaukee 8-inch metal cutting saw. It's the 6370-21. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and take a look at what's in the comes with it, what's in the box, get ready to cut, and then we're going to abuse the hell out of it because it's rated for a 3/4 of an inch cut, and we're gonna cut some 1 inch. A lot of 1 inch. So let's get this turned around and see if we can get it open. Nice blow molded case. You can toss this in the back of your truck or set it on the shelf and it'll survive for a while. Directions. One thing I did like about this saw versus some of the other ones that were listed is this one has a very long cord on it. I don't remember exactly what it is, but it's way longer than the other ones, other models, manufacturers' saws. So comes with an Allen wrench and the saw and blade. Don't forget to take your blade guard off before you cut. So not much of an unboxing video. The saw looks nice. There's no scratches, no damage, at least as far as I can tell. It's got your adjustment here for your depth. Says directions. Yeah, I went and read the directions on the online before I bought it because I was looking for the stats on it, and it said it comes with a set for a 1/4 inch. It's got this chip tray on it. It's supposed to catch most of your chips in here so they don't over. There's a little viewing window here so you can see if the chip tray is full or not. So throws the chips up and in. Nice blade guard on it. Smooth. Doesn't hang up. It does have the spot for a guide. Usually they send a guide, but I didn't look at that. So there's a button here to lift your blade guard up.
That's actually kind of cool.
I don't know how useful that actually is unless you're making a lot of plunge cuts, but it is what it is, I guess. So let's pop this blade guard off and we'll fire it up and see if it works. Well, it turns on, didn't blow up. Let's grab a piece of scrap here and we'll see if it cuts. Got some 3/16" plate. I want to hand me a clamp. That's nice, already sized appropriately. So this is what I bought this saw for, was to do cutting plate. So see how it works. Yeah. It's gonna throw some chips, so. Okay, now let's do it again with the camera actually showing what we're doing. My camera operator is still sleeping, evidently. Alright guys, got the plate clamped in place. I'm gonna go ahead and get make a cut here. Now it says to set the saw so it's a 1/4 inch through the work. That should be close enough. Nice cut. I think it'll work. So we're gonna go outside and we're going to move a big piece of steel around and we're gonna get ready to cut. So we'll bring you back here in just a little bit. So we're on the same page there. Alright guys, finished up the cut. I have to say that I'm suitably impressed. Pushing this saw beyond its capabilities, at least stated capabilities, you know, they always build in some buffer there. It handled the cut well. Took a little while to learn how much I could cut at a time, etc, etc, etc. But overall, I would say this is a good buy. And don't be afraid to push it beyond its limits. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll catch you in the next video.